Hello guys, Romnick nga pala, dito ay ang ka-lane ko ay si Kerry and DG. Tignan nyo kung paano mangbuli si DG sa akin. Kaya ginagawa ko dito ay tamang last hit and tower hog lang muna.
What the folks do, visitor?
Kapag ganyan ang kalaban na ayaw kang digilan sa lane mo, bumili ka magic defense, kaya prio item natin ang rose gold and top boots para hindi tayo madaling e-burst.
I'll make sure justice is served today.
First blood.
Drop your weapon and hands up.
An enemy has been slain.
Lumalayo lang ako at hinihintay na dumating ang minions para pumutok ang first skill ni Ding.
Gather on the turtle.
I've got a bullet with your name on it.
Nakabili na nga tayo ng rose gold, kaya hentay na lang tayo ng pampi.
Gather at the turtle.
Justice served.
Request backup.
Busy finding a place to hide.
Request backup. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Justice served.
Request backup.
Hanggang sa ngayong nawala pa ring dalaw kasi busy pa sila sa taas, kaya play safe lang muna tayo.
Turtle. An enemy has been slain.
Justice served. Justice prevails. Justice served.
Umuwi muna ako dahil papapunta na ang aking kakampi at wala na din akong mana. Andyan na ang kampi ko, kaya time na para pumalag sa kalaban lahat ng skill ibobohos. Kinawawa ba naman kanina, hahaha.
Justice served.
Launch attack.
Served.
Slain an enemy.
Served.
An enemy has been slain.
Namatay ako dito pero napitas ang tatlo sa kanila, good trade lang yon.
Slain. An ally has been slain.
Try to outrun my bullets.
Akala siguro ni Kerry kaya niya ako napatakbo siya eh.
I've got a bullet with your name on it. Justice served.
The enemy has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain. You destroyed a turret.
Justice served.
Dito ay napasubre tayo sa push kaya nabigyan tayo.
Just a lonely man on his way in the
Launch
desert.
attack. Initiate retreat.
An early retire.
Sinabihan ko na nga ang core na mag-fast turtle kami dahil wala pa naman ang core ng kalaban.
You girls can resist a gunslinger like me. Can't blame them for that.
Buti na lang na last hit ko pa ang turtle.
Do what the folks do.
Shut down.
Justice served.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Justice served.
You destroyed
Mayroong clash na magaganap dito pero napa-address na lang ang kalaban dahil hindi nila pa kayang makipagsabayan sa amin.
Served.
slain.
Justice served. Don't panic. Cleanup is on the way.
Enemy has been slain.
Served. I've got a bullet with your name on.
Magpupush sana kami dito pero pumunta ang Helpert bobbers niya sana ako pero kinapos pa siya sa damage.
Justice served.
Gather up the Lord. You destroyed a turret.
Nagulat ako dito sa marksman nila nasa bush na pala, nagdali-dali na kami mag-lord dahil wala pang kalaban.
Justice served. Do I even have to repeat that?
Double kill.
Listen to your sheriff, boy.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Try to outrun my bullets.
Ako talaga ang target ni Helpert pero hindi niya ako ma-burst dahil meron akong Thunder Belt and Rose Bowl.
Killing spree. Killing spree. Double kill. Triple kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Tinatapos na nga ng aking kakampi.
Monster kill.
Hanggang dito na lang, thank you sa panunood guys.